had was, how do we shoot these scenes with a...
Went out to Palmdale, which is about an hour from here.
We're like, okay, can he sit on a couch? A big, big, big dog.
Margot and Kathy were saying, actually, we want to be able to touch him and really kind of interact with him because they wanted to kind of build a relationship. It wasn't just...
Once the shots matched the movements of...
They did a lot of, like, miming, acting, like, hello, Bruce.
Hello.
But for a lot of it, I actually had
It is...
And things like that. We really kind of said it. So it was very symbolic.
I have the...
As we developed the escenes, we went through many... We also crazy explosions and powdery type fireworks. Harley's very quirky, off-center personality.
Margot was great. She was always involved. She would even come making sure things were going well, however she could help. Her and Kathy obviously worked together collaboratively on this, but kind of came together, which was great.
Fuck off, Grandma. Yeah, fuck off, Grandma.
Down in Gotham with the birds of prey, where all the bad bitches come out to play. With a hit, kick, and a knee in the dick. Come see our movie, it's gonna be sick.
Harley, she never really left me.
I'm here to report a terrible crime. This one.
She's so intimately familiar with the character of Harley Quinn. She loves to move her out. I think that she gets to dive further into the character. She can...
Dean, it was... And when they were like, can I get your tea or... She's...